Today we're going to make a very healthy grilled Cajun chicken served over a cilantro lime avocado salad. Firstly, I want to put together all your Cajun seasonings. I happen to have made this the other day when I was making a jambalaya. We're only going to use about 2 tablespoons. Next, we're going to prepare the chicken to cook on the grill. Cut these in half so they'll cook nice and quick on the grill. I'm going to place them in a pan that will make it easy for me to season. So I'm going to rub about a tablespoon of olive oil, both sides of the chicken so the seasoning sticks well. Season these breasts with about 2 tablespoons of our Cajun seasoning mix. And make sure that's covered well on both sides of the chicken. Might have to rub it in there a little bit to get good coverage. Next, we're going to prepare the cilantro lime dressing. We're going to put 2 limes or 4 tablespoons of lime juice in a bowl, or I like to put this kind of stuff in a mason jar because it's easy to mix up. Three tablespoons of olive oil in there. We're going to put some fresh cilantro in there. A teaspoon of red pepper flakes in there. Now it's going to be salt and pepper to taste. Now if you have this in a bowl, you can whisk it, but I'm going to go ahead and shake it in my mason jar. All right, now we got our cilantro lime dressing for our salad. Next, we're gonna toss the salad together, but first we need to dice all of our vegetables. The vegetables we're gonna put in this salad are 1 cucumber, and I actually just discovered that my boyfriend was hungry earlier and decided to eat part of my cucumber, but you'll wanna put a whole cucumber in your salad. I've got, we're gonna do a quarter of red onion diced, an avocado, and about a cup or maybe a little more of cherry tomatoes. I love tomatoes, so can't have enough of those. So we're losing light out here now. So I might turn out orange in this picture. Next, I'm gonna throw the chicken and the corn on the grill. But first you're gonna wanna turn the heat down to about a medium or medium high. This salad only calls for 1 ear of corn, but I've got 3, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw all of them on the grill. I'm doing a little bit of experimentation because I think that it's going to cook faster if I do it this way, and it might have a nice smoky flavor without the husk. But I'm going to go ahead and throw a couple with the husk on there too. They might just take a little bit longer to cook. So your chicken's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, but you'll want to check the temperature and make sure the internal temperature is 165 degrees. The thicker the chicken, the longer it's going to take to cook. All right, and then I'm going to close it and let it cook for a few minutes. Now it's about time to flip the chicken over. The corn without the husk, you'd have to flip around every 5 minutes or so you don't burn one side. I'm gonna go ahead and roll these as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and check the internal temperature of the chicken and make sure it has reached at least 165. Our chicken is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off of the grill. This one's looking like it's about done. These ones might need a little bit more time. I'm gonna check that after I pull the chicken off. Our vegetables are now diced up and combined, and I just pulled the corn and the grilled Cajun chicken off of the grill. I think I'm gonna go with this corn that I made on the grill without the husk, because it looks like it has a little bit more of a smoky flavor. And this just tastes way better made on the grill than putting a can of corn or frozen corn in there. Everything's ready to put together on the plate. Finally, I'm going to drizzle a little of our cilantro lime dressing on the top. Now our grilled Cajun chicken over a cilantro lime avocado salad is ready. Take that.